Hello guys, as you might see, gap ups and gap downs, you can see them every day. Okay, so sometimes you have a lot of gap ups, sometimes you have a lot of gap downs. This depends, as I told you before, the difference between analysts' forecast on the EPS, okay, earning per share. So if the company in the earning news reported better price, it means earning per share, than the analysts, most of the time we have a gap up. So we see here, for example, the company EL. So it's $15.85, which is 11.64%. So as you can see, it's a very big gap up. We go to RL, okay, 8.39%, which is $9.61. AGX, okay, 13.91%. As you can see, it's a very, very big gap up. Another gap up, MLI, which is $3.68, 13.66%. HLNE, 9.64%, $3.63 going up. Although it doesn't seem that big, but in terms of percentage, it is 9.64. It means if you have put $10,000, you can get $964. LEG, LEG, 9.76%. And here we have 14.12% for this stock, MHO. And here is another stock, 73.10. Okay, so although the last, you see here, the last earning news was bad. The stock goes from 590 to 414. Okay, it lost a lot, but today it makes 73.10. Let's say you put $10,000 here, okay, and you will get $7,310 profit. Okay, sometimes the gap ups are so good, and sometimes you can lose money, but it's better not to focus on this earning news because it can be up or down. So be careful when you are buying stocks before the earning news. So there is a big risk. You can make money or you can lose money. But the main thing is idea that I will tell you today as information is that try to see after this gap up, does these stocks go up, continue to go up? It means to have a trend, yes or no. Because if the company sometimes when there is a gap up, people, they think that the company is good and they begin to buy, so the stock will go up. But sometimes like let's say here, the company has a gap down, so the people think that the company is doing bad, so they begin to sell. You see, they begin to sell. The stock here was $4.14. It goes to $3.16. Okay, so is it true, yes or no? So no one will know. Okay, so the only thing there is here opposite thing happen in this stock. Here we have a gap down, but the stock has been going up. Now, why is that happening? Is sometimes the trend is very, very good but the news was bad. But the people, they continue to go and to buy, and then the stock will go up. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Understand that gap ups, you can know the calendar. It's very easy. You just put earning news calendar, and you will have each day the stocks that will be having earning news. And not all the stocks will gap up or gap down. There are some stocks that they will never change because of the earning. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow for another video.